Check out my insane Nerf collection. So we are starting from smallest to biggest, and we are now starting with darts, then attachments, and in all I have 95 Nerf guns, not counting the attachments or darts. Now we're moving on to the Nerf guns, starting off from small, and at the end it's going to be really big. Now it's like medium size. And now we have the biggest Nerf gun, the sniper. Okay, so these are my favorite Nerf guns of all. So first, starting with the coolest of my favorite. First, if you play Minecraft, you probably know the Ender Dragon. And he has the wings right here. And then we have the dinosaur. And it has a little dart holder right here, and you put the darts in right there. Then if you watch Power Rangers, this is a Power Rangers gun. So it loads in his mouth, and then you pull this back and shoot it. But there's a little secret. There's that button, and you can pull it down so it can sit. And that's for our coolest of our favorite. Now is my biggest of our favorite. Starting off with a ball shooter. It is a really good one. I got it from Christmas. Well, it used to be good. And you can fold that down. And yeah. And then this is probably just my favorite Nerf gun. The Fortnite Heavy Sniper. So it has the scope right here. It has the loading thing right there. The mag right there. And these, so it can stand up. Next, that was all with our biggest favorites, and now we have our most powerful favorites. This one is another ball shooter. So you just load it like this, and it is a rifle. And see in there, you put the balls in there, and then you just shoot it. And then we have the zombie striker Nerf. It literally left a dent in me, or like a mark, and it's really powerful but pretty heavy. And see all these barrels, you'd be like, how would I get to them? Well, see this? That's how. You use like your knuckles. Then, moving on to our most accurate Nerfs. So this one, the Lawbridger. It is probably my most accurate one, and it's pretty powerful. It was also like one of my first big Nerf guns. So yeah, it's a Doomlands 2000. $21.69. Then we have a shotgun. So this is my favorite accurate one. It's really accurate, actually. It's weird. And it's like my oldest one, I feel like. And then we have another Fortnite one. And I think this in Fortnite came out in Chapter 2. And it came back in Chapter 5. The Burst Fury, I think. I think it's the Burst Fury rifle. So it's like, and it's electric. That's like my only electric one here. So that's all my favorites. So yeah.